waterballs, Panipuri, different names but everybody's love, I guess. So today I'm going to make Panipuri at home. For Panipuri you can actually make dough at your home as well, but that's time consuming. To avoid what I do personally, I buy these packets. So these are the loose packets, and what you see inside looks like this. You have to hardly fry it for 10 seconds and your water balls are ready. Something very important for Panipuri is the masala. So this is meetha Panipuri masala. So you stuff in your water balls with stuffing and then you pour some Panipuri masala water in it. That's how the delicious Panipuri would be at home in your kitchen. So to know the process, please watch the complete video.
So let's begin then. So here I have superheated oil and I start preparing Pani Puri. Like I mentioned earlier, it's hardly 10-15 seconds you need to fry it in oil, and this is how those thin water balls transforms to these beautiful looking water balls, or Pani Puri or Puchka, whatever you call in your local language. And once your Pani Puri is ready, we start preparing the water as well. So in this water, the packet you saw, Pani Puri Meetha Masala, you use super chilled water and 2 spoons. If you think 2 spoons is less, you can use 3 as well. So your Pani Puri is ready, your water is ready. So the next thing very important is your stuffing. For stuffing I used 4 potatoes. I boiled potatoes and gram, which is chana, together. The only thing that I added on top of it was finely chopped green chilies and salt as per your taste. So your pani is ready, your stuffing is ready. This is how you make space to stuff in your stuffing. And then once you stuff your stuffing, you add water like this. And trust me guys, this is super delicious than what you get in the market. And when you make it at home, it's healthy as well. And in today's situation, I think it's good if you prepare everything at home. And this is how the delicious Pani Puri looks, which is ready to be eaten. So if you like this recipe guys, for sure you like, share and comment on my YouTube channel. And the descriptive recipes mentioned on my description as well. So if you like it, share among your friends, like, subscribe and comment guys. And if you make this Pani Puri at home, do not forget to share the videos, the photos and your comments on comment section to let us know how it went for you guys. Happy Sunday guys, and enjoy your family time at home. But don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.